Worrying, the latest figures about reports of child abuse and neglect. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Lorraine Samuels. Also this evening, fake cop, a stunning case from St Andrew.
Hanover on edge, the latest from the parish, as TVJ's Herman Green investigates a spike in murders.
Clean Up, TVJ News documentary spurs Solid Waste Agency to act.
In business news, demand destination. A group makes a proposal about Jamaican cruise shipping.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Given the yearly controversy over the staging of the Grand Gala, what, if anything, should be done about the event?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us, Primetime News returns right after this break.